Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the range of Primus machines from Sunskin. Under its Primus moniker, Sunskin offers 4 high quality rotary machines: Special Hybrid, One, Solid and Easy. So let's take a look at what each has to offer. Up first is the Sunskin Primus Special Hybrid. This is a rotary machine that has been designed to perform faster and easier lining, colouring and shading without the need for adjustment thanks to its particular softness. The Primus Special Hybrid has been developed around Sunskin's patented Tyflex system, which features a motion transmission made entirely of titanium. The system is comprised of a jointed lever with 2 ball bearings and integrated with a special rubberized connecting rod which requires no lubrication or maintenance. Powering the Sunskin Primus Special Hybrid is a German-made 4.5 watt motor. It also features a clip cord connection and offers a 3.6mm stroke length and give between 0.5 and 1.5mm. Up next is the Sunskin Primus One, which is a well balanced and lightweight rotary machine that is perfect for fast and easy execution of lines, shading and solid colours. At the heart of the Primus One is the same high quality German made 4.5 watt motor that helps the rotary run quiet and with little vibration, even at high speeds. The machine also requires no maintenance of any kind and offers a 3.4mm stroke length. Unlike the Special Hybrid, the Primus One comes equipped with both clipcord and RCA connections, offering more choice in terms of what cables you use with the machine. Following on from the One model is the Sunskin Primus Solid. The Primus Solid is another well balanced and lightweight rotary from Sunskin, although this machine is particularly suited to fast and easy colour packing, thanks to a German made 9 watt motor within, which is the most powerful in the Primus range. As with the Primus One, the Solid version has both clipcord and RCA connections, along with a longer 3.8mm stroke length. Last but not least is the Sunskin Primus Easy, which is ideal for lining, shading and colour packing. Thanks to Sunskin simplifying the production and finishing of the rotary, the Easy was able to enter the company's Primus series at a lower price point. The Sunskin Primus Easy is powered by the same 4.5 watt German made motor as the Primus One rotary and offers a similar 3.4mm stroke length. It also comes equipped with both clipcord and RCA connections and features a frame that is built from a single block of brass. Thanks to demanding and accurate resistance testing by Sunskin, all Primus models guarantee high reliability and longevity. In addition, every Sunskin Primus tattoo machine is compatible with cartridge grips from all major brands, as well as grips with a backstem for standard tattoo needles. Both the Sunskin Primus Special Hybrid and Primus One rotaries are available in 2 colours, aluminium black and black brass, while the Primus Solid comes in aluminium black and the Primus Easy in brass. All are available to order from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Sunskin Primus machine range, what do you think? Which one will you be picking up? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.